my sourdough starter has not been showing that much of activity. As you can see, my sourdough starter has a couple of bubbles, but not as much. So I will go ahead and do my usual feeding with bread flour, which is a little bit higher in the protein than the normal flours. And I'm gonna add fresh flour and fresh water, mix it all up, and I've got a secret ingredient that I will be adding today, hoping that will make my sourdough starter more active. I'll finish adding bread flour, and this is my little secret ingredient, which is Einkorn flour. If you don't know much about ancient flours, Einkorn is the oldest flour in the world. Modern flour was essentially came from Einkorn, and as you can see, the coloring is a little bit different. It doesn't look like a wholemeal of wheat flour, but it's definitely darker than a modern flour. So I'm gonna add some filtered water. I added about a spoon worth of Einkorn flour, and I'm gonna add some more of bread flour. And again, once I'm mixing it, I'm focusing on a consistency rather than measuring and weighing my ingredients. I find that way works so much better. So I'm gonna mix it really well. As you can see, it's a little bit too thick, so I'm gonna add a tiny bit more water, and I'm gonna mix it again. And I'm quite happy with the consistency. So let's see what's gonna happen tomorrow.